Hi guys, how can you create this moody dark blue color grading effect in Photoshop? First, press Ctrl plus J to create a duplicate copy of your image. Go to Image Mode Lab Color and choose Don't Flatten when prompted. Next, open the Channels panel, Window Channels. Select the A channel, then press Ctrl plus A to select all and Ctrl plus C to copy it. Now select the B channel and press Ctrl plus V to paste the copied information. Turn all the lab channels back on, return to the Layers panel and press Ctrl plus D to deselect. Go to Image Mode RGB Color. And again choose Don't Flatten. Now add a hue/saturation adjustment layer. Use the following settings on master. Set saturation -20. Then go to Cans. Set hue at +10 and saturation at -70. Next, go to Adjustment layer. Select Selective Color. For the reds, set cyan -30 and magenta +10 and yellow +30 remain black on 0. Next, go to Cyans. Set cyan +100. Then go to whites. Set cyan +20. Now go to neutrals. Next, go to black. Set cyan +50 and magenta +50, also yellow +50 as well. Remain black on 0 as it is. Now again go to Adjustment layer, then go to Gradient. Choose a basic gradient that fades from black to transparent. Use these settings. Style set radial and make sure reverse is enabled. Set scale on 200%. Press OK, then change the gradient fill layers blend mode to soft light. Next, add a curves adjustment layer and fine-tune the curve until you achieve the desired dark blue cinematic look. And that's it. Now hold Shift key and select all these adjustment layers. Press Ctrl plus G to add them on a group. Now this is before and this is after. This is a great technique for creating dark atmospheric portraits and cinematic edits in Photoshop.